I got my first car when I was 15 and a half years old. The lowrider scene was growing, and of course, I wanted a lowrider. I got talked into going to a local car show one time, and that's where I met Jose Martinez, the president of Low Conspiracy, and we started talking and we became friends. I ended up joining. I've been in the club ever since. Around that time also was when there was a magazine getting started. It was Lowrider Magazine in San Jose. My car, when it came out in the centerfold. This one came out in October of 1990. You can see Jose Martinez right there, our old president. They grew together, both Low Conspiracy and Lowrider Magazine, and we're both still around.